when you don't even get it. Lego. 20-step questions, only one answer. All the different formulas you gotta remember. Yeah, that stuff is so easy. We can understand it, cause it is so breezy. Science loves me, I'm in my nerd phase. If you get what I get, what would you say? We get them all right. Mrs. Einstein, and them calculators, yeah? We don't need them. Look at me now. Look at me now. I still don't get it. Look at me now. Look at me now. Still on the same problem. In order to get physics, you have to understand people like Newton and another Einstein man.
In 1686, Newton and his brilliance explained 3 laws of motion how dealing with physics.
Oops, I said physics. I didn't mean to say physics, but now we're talking about physics. Let's take another closer look at it. We're done.
What?
Just kidding.
Easy!
Now the first law of motion is really, really simple. Almost as simple as popping a pimple. It says an object will go and continue to go unless another object comes around and says no.
Nobody ever really wants to stop it. Just know that you will never stop it. And I know it can be a little frustrating, but listen before you start hating. The second law of motion just says the same notion, put in an equation of mass times acceleration. The equation at best says that objects at rest all need force to move, even the biggest. The third law of motion explains them opposites for every reaction. There's another side of it.
Now all of these equations, all of these formulas serve a simple purpose besides just boring us. A couple of equations you have got to know, we're about to show you, and this is how they go. Look at you now. Look at you now. You're understanding. Look at you now. Look at you now. Not really as confusing. Density is easy, it's just m over v. Remember though the units can sometimes be trippy. Velocity is cool, it's distance over time. This rap is getting hard, and we still trying to rhyme.
The next one is momentum. It's easy if you see. All the equation is mass times velocity. The next one we have for you is something we have done. It's really, really simple and actually kind of fun. Mass times acceleration always yields this equation. My voice is getting hoarse, but it's actually force.
This one last formula has to do with power. We need it in our lives like Shannon needs a shower. This last equation, is just work over time. It is just as easy as busting out this rhyme.
I hope you understand it and like it like we do, because all of this rap was made just for you.
Look at me now. Look at me now. I'm an ace on my test. Look at me now. Look at me now. I'm really getting physics, yo. Okay?
You good?
You all right?
I'm getting physics.